Good day everyone and welcome to another video. Today we want to talk about Zoho Notebook. It is available for free, but if you are a business user of Zoho Notebook or you have a Zoho One account, then there's an addition in Zoho Notebook that you might find interesting. It's called Notebook AI. What it can do, it can transcribe your meeting notes, etc. based on voice notes. But most importantly, which I think is actually the killer feature, is the AI mind maps. Now other things like write smarter and faster, summarize, and also kind of was already there. That's not really, well, it's useful, but it's not really revolutionary. But here the clickable mind maps is something that actually is very, very useful. I think it's a killer feature. So you might want to check that out if you are a Zoho One a notebook for business user. You get a monthly quota with 100 minutes of transcription and 60 Gen AI queries per user per month. However, if you want to do more, you can actually buy per user, so you don't have to buy it for everyone, a add-on, which is $4.99 per month or $49.99 per user per year. Now be aware that is US dollars, so in Australian dollars I think it is $7.99 that they charge per month and $79 per year. It is in US, EU, and India, as well as Australia, Canadian data centers, and the other data centers will be coming soon. Now let's just go through that mind map here. So this is a very simple node. I've created a mind map before. It takes a while to actually generate. But you can see here, it says here Notebook AI, that's the node title, and I can just open and collapse that into subtopics. So here, for instance, what is Notebook AI? It's an AI-powered note-taking assistant available in Zoho Notebook. Now, if you want to open up other nodes here, you can actually go as far as this goes, right? You're like, okay, that's great. This is a visual concept of what it actually does. Fantastic. However, and let's go to visualize your thoughts. AI mind maps. Now let's just click on that and see what it does. What it actually does now is generating, based on the nodes that you have, another node, which is expanding on it. So it actually writes you additional text that is expanded from this node here, and you can create it as a new node should you want to do that. So if I say create as new node, then here is a new node that I can create for that. And that's the node over here. Now obviously I can create from this node another mind map, etc. There's another note that I took earlier, which is just looking for my small business, whether or not LinkedIn Premium is worth it. We did some research. There's a lot of text here. So we created a mind map for that. And we look at it here like, okay, LinkedIn Premium for company pages, an overview, and then we look at introduction features, cost and subscription, target audience, opinions, and usefulness. So let's go to the opinions and usefulness. Well, we are a smaller business, so let's just go here and see what the outcome here is. And it will actually then summarize the node in a new node for me. So there's actually a lot of text in that node that we created. It actually summarizes it, and here it gives you the connection, etc. Creates a context, and then you can look at whether or not it's useful for you. You can look at the cost and subscription, look at the cost itself, and the monthly cost or the annual cost, and it is the same thing. So basically it helps you organize your disorganized nodes, and then in a mind map create new nodes based on each of the mind map nodes themselves. So you don't even have to go to the node itself, so the end node. So I can do, for instance, challenges or end costs. I can click on any of the nodes here to create a new node for it. So I hope this feature is very useful for you. I would encourage you to try it out if you're a Zoho One subscriber. I would definitely recommend looking into the free feature first. And if you're finding yourself using it so much that you hit the limits, it's $7.99 Australian per month, I think that's a very, very good value for money.